Hi everyone, it's Ramos, welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen I dyed my hair pink. I'm not recording this video as normally in the salon because I want to show you a quick way to dye your hair at home when you have bleached hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do is give my hair a bleach bath. So I will need a bleaching powder and a developer that takes care of your hair. The first thing I'm gonna do is wet my hair and then shampoo all my hair with the mixture of bleach. It's very important you dry all your hair because otherwise these kind of crazy colors are not gonna be pigmented enough. This is not a sponsored video, so of course you can use any brand you want. Just make sure you put your color section by section and massage to make sure every inch of your hair is covered. Okay, for styling it, I dried and then I use this styling wax. I spread it all over the hair and then I will give a little bit of texture with my fingers. You can use a little bit more of wax if it's needed. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to live the full The Awakening of Style experience. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell here on YouTube, and see you next week. Bye!